You're out of ideas. You burn out. The clock is ticking. In 2005, a frustrated singer named Kelly Clarkson recorded a song called Since You've Been Gone. Her label hated it. They said it didn't fit her American Idol brand. But she fight for it. Why? Because she saw the trend. Rock-infused pop anthems were about to explode. That song defined a decade and made millions. Most creators today are like that label, ignoring the signals, chasing algorithms instead of trends, and then wondering why they burn out of ideas and making no money. Stick around and I'll give you the exact strategy to never run out of ideas again. Right now, you've probably trapped in what I call the idea trap. You stare at a blank screen, trying to prove to yourself you're a genius. 100% original idea from scratch that fits your channel. It's exhausting. It's why you burn out. It's why you upload random videos that flop. This is money trap for creators, believing that pure, unfiltered originality is the only path. It's not. The secret isn't to create the wave. It's to see the wave that's already forming and ride it better than anyone else. That's leveraging trends. And over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to find these waves and build a content strategy that never runs dry. So, how do you do it? It's not just about chasing viral dances, it's about trend validation. A trend tells you two things. First, a huge audience is already searching for this. And second, the algorithm is already promoting it. Your job isn't to invent the topic, it's to add your unique spin. Use Google Trends. Is AI news spiking? Don't just report the news. Make a video on 3 AI tools that will actually make you money. You're solving a problem that trends reveal. Check YouTube's trending page. See a 45-minute viral documentary. Most people don't have time for that. Make a 5-minute summary with your key takeaways and commentary. You're providing efficiency. Use Answer the Public. See exactly what questions real people are asking about a trending topic. Your content becomes the direct answer. This isn't being unoriginal, it's being strategic. It gives you a proven foundation, the trend, to build your unique castle on. That's how you escape the idea trap. No more guesswork. And this is not just for beating burnout. This is your key to finding a profitable niche. Before you even start a channel, you can research trends in different areas. See which one have high sustained engagement and crucially a high RPM, which stands for revenue per mil or earnings per 1,000 views. Tech, finance, beauty, these often have high RPM because advertisers for this niche famous. You can now build a channel around a trending, profitable topic instead of just hoping your passion will magically make money. This is how you set yourself up for success from day one. You're not guessing, you're building on data. You're building a business, not just a. My entire channel, Manitrap, is built on this exact principle. I break down trends in finance, business, and the digital world to help you escape the traps that holding you. If this video helped you, the single biggest way you can support me, a small creator, is to watch a few of my other videos. It tells the algorithm you're interested and helps me check out the one on your hard work is alive next. And when you start your channel, you're a business now. I use NordVPN to secure my data and they help me stay safe online, especially when I'm checking out trends on different networks. They have a great deal going on right now. Check them out using the link in my description. Stop trying to be a genius in a vacuum. Be a strategist in the real. Use trends, stay consistent, build an asset, and finally escape the creator money. Smash that like button if this helped and subscribe for more strategies every week. See you in the next one.